Okay, main research focus on the biomedical engineering, especially biomaterials for tissue engineering, 3D printing biomaterials for large bone defect regeneration. The main application of my research, we will develop the biomaterials used for bone and cartilage, skin, and blood vessel regeneration, especially for the regenerative medicine. I think the most important is my interesting. The interesting is the main factors to stimulate to pursue the research and continue research, especially, I think. Actually, for young research, I think the most important we should establish the interesting, the research interesting. Also, when we do research, we will face lots of difficulties. We should insist on and not stop, especially we face the difficulties. I think to be an editor, I think is firstly, I think is big honor for us, for especially for research. Represent a high standard level of our research. To be the editor, it should promote us to maintain a high standard research. At the same time, we can learn a lot from the editorial work. I think the most challenge is to how to maintain a fair since when evaluate the manuscripts. Also, the most rewarding is that we can learn from the publishing or submitted manuscripts. The challenge is that sometimes we may get a paper not fully in my area or main directions. At this time, I can ask some editor board expert to help us, and we hope to do it fair to evaluate. The main suggestion, I think we should pay attention to the novelty. There are so many manuscripts submitted to our journal, but a great number of manuscripts get a very similar idea. I think the novelty is the main issue. To be the founder or associate editor or applied material today, I'm very proud of this journal. In the past almost 4 years, the journal quality increased, significantly increased. Also this year we get a first impact factor is about 80.1. So I hope we can get continue increase submitted manuscript quality. Yeah, I think I say organize this kind of seminar is quite important to get editorial and experts from the different areas get together to communicate and know each other. Also, we can discuss the policy and also the strategies of the publishing. We can get a word in this seminar to promote our journals. I think it is quite important for us to communicate and to promote journal things. Thank you.